this apple right here is created in this universe. So can I treat this apple with the perspective that we live in reality and not the universe? So with the hyperspace perspective, I mean with the multiverse perspective, sorry, can I treat this apple as the entire separate universe living within the universe itself? Well, definitely yes. Just like, for example, I have this room around me where I'm recording this video, but this room right here is on the earth. I'm on earth. So just like the earth and this room is not a separate thing, nothing in this universe is separate from a higher reality called the multiverse. So everything must be considered as a part of multiverse, not just the universe. So just like this room is the part of a solar system, basically. So there's actually, maybe in the multiverse, you have like different combinations of like how like different universe you can have there, where the laws of physics are totally different from this universe and all that stuff. But there's no physical boundary out there. There's no physical, or there's no law of physics out there which prevents treating the normal day objects separate from the multiverse. In the sense that you can also treat this system, finite system, as the entire separate universe in the living in the universe itself. So the finite system, even being present in the multiverse, belongs to multiverse. It's a part of multiverse, it's not a part of universe. So it be this system called an apple, or be this system called a human. So every system, provided we have multiverse as a reality, can be treated as the entire separate universe. So this is how the reality, we start to look at the reality when we actually see the multiverse, which is beyond the universe, as the reality. Now what's beyond the multiverse itself? Multiverse. What's beyond the multiverse? Multiverse, and so on. Now that's part of a different thing which I have covered in my book on Sankhya Gyan. But the point is that even there is the universe around me which I'm looking at, and the entire hardware of our body is based on the laws of physics. But still, we live in reality, not this universe. The reality is far beyond the universe. Just like, even if I just consider this room, for example, I can't consider it separate from the solar system. Similarly, every aspect of anything, even if our hardware of this body or this apple is built entirely based on the laws of physics of this universe, but still it is indifferent from the multiverse. So multiverse, in case if we treat it as the true ultimate reality, then we have to treat this thing as the entire separate universe living within the universe. And we have to not just this, but we have to respect every system out there. Based on that, we have to, if we are treating the multiverse as the true reality, or any kind of supreme reality, which we may talk about in videos ahead, that gives us an aspect, a perspective that we just don't live in the universe, and that we live in reality.